Good day everyone! And we are still in Sweden. And our target for today is heading to
Mo i Rana.
Mo i Rana.
Oh, nice.
So Mo i Rana is part of Norway. It's very near to the border of Sweden and Norway. We left from our sleeping area about 1:30 in the afternoon, and it's Swedish time. So we might reach Mo i Rana for about 5 hours. It's about maybe 8 in the evening. There, Mo i Rana. This is the view here. The area is almost flat. And 3:51 in the afternoon is still in Finland. Yan, daming dust. And then here, in Sweden, it's already 2:51. Yeah. This is the view here. Yeah, para lang siyang Finland. Speed camera. Last year also, we've been to Norway, but it's about maybe papasok na yung August. More on malamig-lamig siya. This time, it's middle of July. It's a bit warmer. Masarap yung tulog namin sa tent. Kaso lang, at night time, it was cold. Buti na lang dahil ready tayo sa camping na mga ganito. We have our sleeping bag and some warmer clothes. Shout out to you, sir. You have a nice yellow car. Different lots.
Finland.
Diyan yung Suomi. They have center here. Yan. Tambay ang mga tao. Tambay tayo. Init na? Let's get something from the shop. Baon-baon. Let's take a break for a while. Yan, kain muna tayo kasi meron tayong baon. Yan, you can always park here. Ito yung parking area dito. Yan. Gilid siya ng daan, but it's always every road have parking area that all the travelers can stop. Meron kaming daladalang ready-made soup.
Connect data.
Lagyan lang natin ng hot water. Yung mga fast food lang, yan. We have tinapay. And, of course, this randang. Gawa ni Jessie. Yan. Sarap yan magluto. Thank you. Busog na po kami. Let's go. Busog na ang akong driver, sweet lover. Ano na namang iniisip mo dyan?
Asul.
Mamasul. Basta nakakita ng dagat, mamasul. Dito, merong parking area na maganda. If you wanna take a rest. Yan. Ayan o. Oh, may CR dun o. Yeah. Rest muna tayo kasi mainit oh. Enjoy. Chill drive nga, diba? If you travel, don't forget to stretch your feet. Yan. Pahinga muna tayo saglit. Welcome to Lake Sele. Is that how you pronounce it? The city of Lapland. Ayan yung story. Meron ding mga campers doon. Take rest din sila. There are some information here. Welcome to the Blue Highway. Traveling here is very convenient and it's easy. Yan, if you need a public toilet, of course, there's someone who will keeping it clean. So may mga campers din dito and auto. They're also travelers. Welcome. Time to take a break. And it's more on Swedish and Finnish na dito because this is Sweden. Ayan o, may mga campers van. And next time, inshallah, magkaroon tayo ng ganyan. O, gilid sa dagat. May tatanong ako sa'yo.
Ano?
Kumusta ang CR dun?
Ah!
Malinis! Very good. Tapos natin dumaan sa CR, meron na namang money. May baon po kami, money. Made from home. Yan, kaon ta kaon. And residential area. We have nice house here. Pero wala man ng katao-tao. Anybody home? Hi, Uncle! There's lots of camping inside here. So, gas uptime, it's 15.54 Swedish kronor. Mura! Mura lang? Very good. Cheap here. It's just 15.54
Kroner.
kroner. It's 1.41 euro.
Mas mura yung sa
Oh.
first 1.39.
There's still snow on the top of the mountain. By the way, this is normal. Yan, mga insects yun sila. When you travel,
But
it's always like this. So you need to clean it. Clean na tayo. Oh, meow. Where are we now? Another residential area. Another house. Now we reach the place, last place before we enter the border of Sweden and Norway. And
wala na.
ito yung Matbossen. Nakita ko saan? Sa Google. Yan. Tambay, malamig. Actually, malamig. Ayan na, Nord. Ayan, tuloy na tayo. Labas tayo ng jacket. Ayan na, jacket. Oh, ayan, sige, jacket tayo. No. Heavy clouds are waiting. Sa dulo. Welcome to Norway! Yan na po, nandito na po kami sa Norway around 9 in the evening. 10 lang yan, Finland time. So this is the situation here. It's very cloudy. We're on the top of the mountain and then we are entering a tunnel. Ayan. So mag-ready tayo ng mga warm clothes. Buti na lang may warm clothes kami. Ito yung border ng Sweden to Norway. Diyan tayo galing kanina. Ayan. That one. So ito yung white. This is the border. And now, welcome to Norway. And our target is going to Mo i Rana. This is city. So, we're
Zero visibility.
here. Let's
Visibility.
see. Ito yung bumungad
Zero
sa
visibility.
amin. Zero visibility. Oh, it's so foggy.
Visibility.
Foggy. Zero visibility. Zero visibility. Nothing. You cannot see anything from outside. Only nearby place. Yung malapit lang.
Never
Ayan.
trust.
So as you can see, you cannot see. Because it's so foggy. Oh, wala na. Magbababa na tayo ng bukid. Wala na to. See you, Mo i Rana. Kuya, style nin. Lagay ka niyan. Kay malamig. Oh, dito na po kami mag-i-spend ng night. Ayan, nakaset na. Ayan, ready na ang bed. And at that side, may ocean dyan. Okay. Ready na siya. Oh. Kailangan mag-gear. We know that Lofoten or Norway, North Norway is cold here. Kaya ready ang gear. Yan, malamig.
Lamig.
Baka dito din yun siya. Malamig. Diba? Overall?
Zero visibility. Visibility.
Visibility.
Visibility.
We did not continue going to
Moirana.
Moirana City, but it's almost near.
25 kilometers.
Yeah, it's about
Mahirap mag-Camptot kasi city.
30 minutes drive. So, nabutan na kasi tayo ng fog dito. So, we need to stop and then we need to set up the tent early.
This
Para
one is
di masyadong
mountain
malamig.
view. Pero
Mountain view.
then ocean view.
Nadi-
Ocean view.
Nadidistract ako sa yung ano.
Ocean view.
Ocean view.
Wala.
Okay, so
Zero visibility.
visibility. Yeah. Walang katao-tao kami lang, pero this is also a parking area.
Ay,
So,
sigurado ng ko na doon, no?
sure, tomorrow, maraming darating dyan na campers. So,
Fishing tayo bukas. Sigurado yung mga halibut dyan.
halibut. Ayan.
Halibut fish.
Puntahan natin yan. This is how you drive slowly. Chill drive. Kailangan natin slowly lang. Because we have lots of stopover on the road. Kailangan mag-stretch. Ayan yung car. And then, in front, this one. What is this? Raudvatnet. Ayan.
Huh? Cabin.
Pwede pala itong
Fire camp. Fire.
to warm. And then at
Bonfire.
that side,
Ocean. Fishing tayo bukas dyan, fishing.
yeah. And there's lots of sheep dun sa may mountain side. Wild sheep.
Roadside parking, roadside camping.
Soon we're gonna see
Wala na, fog na. Zero visibility, zero visibility.
Oops. Good night na po kami. The fogs are getting lower and lower. And night. Ready na aming mga gear. Comfortable naman po dyan sa inside. Bye!